Welcome back, dear students. So in today's class we'll be solving these questions. Okay, so let me start with the first question itself. So question says solve the following equations. So in each equation you see the variable is here. In this equation the variable is x. So basically we need to find what is the value of this x. Okay, so let me start with the first one itself. So we have log 2x plus 3 is equals to log 7. So now in the earlier class itself we have seen that when we compare both sides you can remove the logs and from there you get 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. So from here you just need to find x. So it's pretty easy, no? So this is 2x is equals to 7 minus 3 is 4. So x is 4 by 2, that is x is 4 by 2 is 2. So this is the way we solve. Next one is also similar, so you can try it by yourself. First you need to apply the product rule. Okay, let me do number 3 for you. So we have number 3. So it says log 10x plus 5 minus log x minus 4 is equal to 2. Now if you observe here, we have minus in the middle, so you treat this as x, call this as y, log x minus log y. So in this case we'll apply the quotient rule. So log x minus log y is log x by y. So x is 10x plus 5 by y is x minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay, so now what's the base here? Base is 10. So now this is in the logarithmic form, so you can write in exponential form as well. So how do you write exponential form? It will be, so this equals to 10x plus 5 whole divided by x minus 4 is gonna be 10 to the power 2, that is 100. So it is 10x plus 5 whole divided by x minus 5 is equals to 100. Now you know how to solve this. Do the cross multiplication. So it is, when you do the cross multiplication here, it is basically 100 by 1. So let me do this cross multiplication. 100x minus 500. Do this cross multiplication. It is 10x plus 5. So bring x in one side, the constants to the other side. So it is 100x minus 10x is equal to 5 plus 500. So you have 90x is equals to, it is 505. So you have x is equals to 505 by 90. So do the cancellation with 5. So you get 90, 5101. So your answer is x is equals to 101 by 19. Now let's do number 4. So in number 4 we see you have log, okay, so since 10 is the base everywhere, I will not mention it. So if I don't mention, then it is understandable that it is 10, the base is 10. Alright, so now what you will do is you will write this as, okay, so you can apply the product rule here. So it becomes log how much? So 5 into 5x plus 1, you get this much. So this is log x plus 5. So can I write 1 as log 10? Definitely I can write this. So we have, so this is going to be log, so let's multiply with 5. So 5 into 5, 25x plus 5. Similarly you can apply the product rule here. So when you apply the product rule, so 10 and x plus 5 gets multiplied, so it is 10x plus 50. So again you can cancel log. So from here 25x plus 5 is equals to 10x plus 50. So this gives us 25x minus 10x is equals to 50 minus 5, which is 15x is equals to 45. So from here x is equals to 45 by 15. When you do the cancellation, you get x equals to 3. So this is the answer for the fourth one. Okay, now quickly note it down. I'll do one more question from this question. Now let me do the sixth one, and this is going to be the last question from this particular question. So this is log, okay, again since the base is 10, I'm not going to write it. So it is log x plus 2 plus log x minus 2 is equals to log 3 plus 3 log 4. So clearly you can apply in the left hand side the product rule because there is plus in the middle. So it is log x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equals to, this is log 3. Now this 3 I'll keep it inside, so it becomes log 4 cube. So then this is log, so a plus b into a minus b. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square is equals to log 3 plus, okay, so 4 cube is 64, so it is log 64. So then it is log x square minus 4. So again you can apply the product rule here, so 3 and 64 will get multiplied. So log can be cancelled, so it is x square minus 4 is equals to, okay, so let's multiply. 3 4s are 12, carry over 1, 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19. So from here you get x square is equals to 192 plus 4, that is x square is 196. Yeah, so we have x equals to square root of 196, which is x is equals to, so the square root of 196 is 14. So this is the value of x. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Now let's do this question. So here it says solve for x, and this complicated equation is given. Now if you see here this portion, so plus is there and here you have minus. So there is a formula from your exponents chapter. So a to the power m plus n is a to the power m into a to the power n, and similarly a to the power m minus n is equals to a to the power m by a to the power n. So I'm going to make use of these two here. Okay, so first you write it as it is. So now it is 5 to the power log x plus 3 to the power log x is equal to, now can I write this as 3 to the power log x into 3 to the power 1. I have used the first formula. Definitely I can write like this. Minus, similarly this can be written as 5 to the power log x by 5 to the power 1. I have used the second one here. Okay, so now in order to remove the confusion, let's do some substitution. Okay, so the substitution that I am going to do is, I'll write in place of 5 to the power log x, I'll write a, and in place of 3 to the power log x, I'll write b, in order to remove the confusion. So then this is your a plus b is equals to, so this is a into 3 to the power 1 is 3, so it is a into 3 minus 5 to the power log x, I'm sorry, not a into 3, it is 3 to the power log x is b, no, so it is b into 3, so it is b into 3 minus 5 to the power log x is a, so it is a by 5 to the power 1 is 5. So what will I do is, I'll bring a to one side and b's to the other side. So let me bring a to the other side. A minus a by 5 is equal to, so here we have 3 into b is 3b minus b. So how much is this? Let's see. Okay, I'm sorry, this minus becomes plus here. So 5a plus a is 6a by 5 we get is equals to, we have 2b, isn't it? So we have, let's find out what is a by b? Okay, so we have a here. Let me bring this b down. A by b is equals to, here we have 2, so this 5 goes up and the 6 comes down. So you can do the cancellation. So 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So it is 5 by 3. Now let's resubstitute the value. What is a? A is 5 to the power log x. And what is b? B is 3 to the power log x. Is equals to, we have 5 by 3. Now can I write this as 5 by 3 whole to the power log x? Definitely. And can I write this as 5 by 3 whole to the power 1? Yes. So now you see the bases are same, so that means the powers must be equal. So this means that log x is equals to 1. And when does this happen? When does the value of log will be 1? When it is log 10. So therefore the value of x from here is 10. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. So here is another question. So given is this, you need to prove this. Let's see how to do this. So given is x square plus y square is equals to 23xy. So I'm gonna add 2xy on both sides. So let's see what do we get. X square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 23xy plus 2xy. So now if you see here in the left hand side, this is a direct formula of a plus b whole square. So this is x plus y whole square, and this side we get 23xy plus 2xy is 25xy. Okay, now let me bring this 25 to the denominator. You get x plus y whole square by 25 is equals to xy. So can I write the left hand side as x plus y by 5 whole square? Yes. So we have xy now. Now we will apply log on both sides, because we have to prove that there has to be log on both sides. So applying log on both sides. So when you apply log on both sides, so let's see what do we get. So we get log x plus y by 5 whole square is equals to log xy. So now you know that the power will come front. So it is 2 log x plus y by 5 is equals to, now this is in the form of product rule. So it is log x plus log y, log y. Now let me bring this 2 to the other side. So it becomes log xy, x plus y by 5 is equal to, so it becomes half into log x plus log y when it goes to the other side, when 2 goes to the other side, and that's what we are required to prove. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution, and that's all for the day. Thank you very much.